We here at Premier Sports Medicine can rest assured that our athletic trainers have worked long hours and a long time to make sure that we are prepared for every single emergency that could possibly happen. But what is an athletic trainer? Aren't they the people that work in the gym? Well, actually, we are healthcare providers. We as athletic trainers have been trained to work with lots of different people. We work with our athletes. We work with performance athletes such as MMA, Dancing with the Stars, and Disney on Ice. We work with the military. We work with all types of personnel. And in all of these situations, we know that emergency occurs. So what do we do in those emergencies? We as athletic trainers, we prepare by doing emergency action plans for every single event that we could possibly work. What are emergency action plans, or EAPs? EAPs are documents that we do to prepare. They're going to include what do we do in certain situations, how do we take care of those patients and athletes during those situations, and then what do we do for follow-up care. Some of those emergency situations that we talk about: what happens if there's a cardiac emergency? Where's the AED? Where is the closest hospital? Where are our emergency personnel such as fire and EMS going to come from? What happens if there's a catastrophic emergency such as a spine boarding or a major head injury such as concussion? What else happens? We talk about weather. We talk about what to do if there's a lightning emergency. How close is too much for lightning? We talk about heat illnesses and what happens if we have an athlete or a patient with heat injuries. We also talk about cold and what to do if it's too cold. How do we re-warm an athlete or a patient? All of these things are included in the document that we at Premier Sports Medicine work with our local EMS and fire departments to create these emergency action plans. But athletic trainers do so much more than just emergencies. Yes, we are certified in CPR and first aid, but we do so much more. We work with musculoskeletal injuries, we work with concussions, but we also help educate our athletes on what to do with nutrition and performance. We help teach them how to rehab and exercise properly to prevent injury. We also look at doing things like stretching and how can we prevent these injuries. Athletic trainers are numbering all over the country. We have over 55,000 certified athletic trainers that work all over the United States. We work in different settings, but we all have one goal: to take care of you, your coaches, your spectators, and the officials at every single event. So next time you see one of these Premier Sports Medicine banners or tents up, rest assured that your certified athletic trainer is going to be there to take care of you and any event that you could possibly be a part of.